Managing a service-based business is all about efficiency. Whether you run a salon, a gym, a clinic, or a tutoring business, scheduling appointments and managing staff should be seamless. Well, now with Wix Bookings and Connecteam, businesses can sync customer bookings with employee schedules, ensuring smooth operations without manual updates. Relief. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share tools and strategies to grow your business. Connecteam, today's sponsor, now integrates with Wix Bookings, giving service-based businesses an automated way to manage staff schedules, reducing errors, and improving team communication. Let's jump right into it now so I can show you myself. Wix is a popular website platform for small businesses, and its bookings feature allows businesses to accept and manage customer appointments online. It's used by fitness studios, beauty salons like this example, healthcare providers, education services, and so much more to schedule client sessions with ease. But while Wix Bookings handles customer-facing scheduling, it doesn't provide workforce management tools like employee tracking, timesheets, and payroll calculations, advanced scheduling tools, employee communication features, and HR and compliance solutions. You can see here Wix handles some of the basic functionality like marking attendance, payment status, and order details, but Connecteam is the perfect complement to handle those other aspects of your business. Yes, now with this new integration, businesses can sync their Wix booking calendar with Connecteam's job scheduler. Check this out. Right off the top, I have to say this integration is so easy to get set up. Here we are looking at the scheduler. We'll select settings and then integrations, and you'll see the Wix option right here. But I'll show you how to set that up later. Let's jump over now to an example shift, so you can see it in action. Any updates in booking times are instantly reflected in both platforms, ensuring staff and clients are always on the same page. Here on Connecteam, you'll see the source of the event is Wix. So if we hop over to Wix now, you'll spot the same event there. Something to keep in mind while creating shifts in Connecteam, these appear as blocked time in Wix. The same applies to unavailabilities and approved time off, preventing clients from booking appointments with unavailable staff. This also means automatic schedule updates when a client books or reschedules, and no more manual double entry between systems. I seriously love this integration. It eliminates scheduling headaches, ensures seamless communication between customer bookings and staff availability. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Watch how it works and how easy it is to set up. To begin, enter the Schedule tab and go to Settings. Under the Integrations tab, click Connect, and then select your Wix site. Keep in mind that each site can only connect to one calendar at a time. Once the integration is connected, you'll match your employees. Any employee with a profile in both Connecteam and Wix will automatically be matched. For unmatched employees, you can either create a new profile or exclude them from the sync. Next, we'll match Wix services to Connecteam jobs. Any jobs that exist in both systems will automatically sync. For unmatched jobs, you can either ignore them or add a new job in Connecteam. The last step is choosing how synced shifts will appear, either as drafts for review or published immediately to the schedule. You'll also set whether appointments and unavailability sync from a specific date or update in real time. Once set up, any updates to Wix appointments are automatically reflected in Connecteam, eliminating manual entry and scheduling conflicts. On the Connecteam schedule, Wix appointments will appear as shifts. The date, time, and location are entered in the corresponding shift fields, with the service listed as the job and the assigned employee as the user. Client details, including name and contact information, are automatically added to the notes section. With Wix and Connecteam working together, your schedule stays accurate, efficient, and fully in sync. While Wix Bookings helps clients book services, Connecteam helps businesses manage their employees. So with Connecteam, you also get time tracking to log work hours accurately, task management to assign responsibilities alongside bookings, instant team communication via built-in chat and newsfeed, and HR and payroll tools for compliance and accurate pay calculations. I want to demo a few of these features for you now quickly. Let's start with a simple time clock that doesn't have location enabled, and I'll show you with in a moment. From the employee standpoint, I can see my shift right there, and when I'm ready, I can click Start Shift and the timer begins. Also notice that I have the ability to add a note here if I want. As well, I can click over to my day log and just keep track of that day for the shift. If I want, I can select this start break. Here I would choose, is it my lunch break, which is paid, or my rest break, which is unpaid? I'll choose that option, and it is going to respond accordingly. Now I'm on my unpaid break. Here that shift was just a few seconds, but again, this is a demo to show you all of the functionality that I have as an employee. I can return to my job, and in just a moment, I can end my shift. So I'll wait here and select end shift. And right there, I can see at a glance my day, the minutes, or in this case, the seconds I worked before I took that break, as well as after. I can confirm my total hours, and now in a moment, we'll look at how that looks from the admin standpoint. Obviously, I didn't do much work in that demo, but you can see here the clock in time, the clock out time, and at a glance, my shift. As well, for an actual shift, it's going to show me total hours, regular hours, overtime, and paid time off. So not only is this going to help you be accurate with your employees, but it's going to help you stay compliant. We can click over here to timesheets as well. This is where I'm going to keep track of whatever time period I've specified here. Same metrics I mentioned, as well as issues, and actually a custom view that you can create here depending on what it is that you want to see at a glance. I also love this ability to export payroll totals, timesheets, a PDF of timesheets, a shift report, as well as apps that there's probably a good chance you are using these. Possibly Gusto for payroll, MYOB Business, Paychex Flex, QuickBooks Online, as well as Xero, which is my payroll tool of choice. All the popular ones are there, so it's going to be easy to integrate Connecteam into the setup that you already have. Now, real quick, there are lots of settings over here that I recommend checking out. In fact, I've got a video that goes into more detail on tracking geolocation as well as these other settings. So I'm going to link to that video, and I'll make sure there's a link in the description as well. For this demo, I had it turned off, but if I wanted to track location when my employees clock in and out, I select this one, or I can actually enable breadcrumbs, which is live tracking. However, it's only going to track a user's live location when they are en route on the clock, only when they are clocked in. There's also a special setting to preserve the battery of your employee's phone. It is safe, it is compliant, and you as the business owner have the option to choose whichever option makes the most sense for your business. As you can see here, I've been busy mapping out the week's schedule for my employees. And I'll click into here so you can see a specific shift. Here we've got the details like date and time zone. If we want to add a shift title, we can. Here I've got a drop down of the different types of jobs, which I could categorize. Even have the ability to have multiple users on one. Location notes that can include attachments. And if I want to break out the shift with specific tasks here, I could list those, as well as keep track of shift activity as and when my employee completes their shift. I think what I like the most is the ability to start from a brand new fresh week like this, and with a single click, I can copy the previous week, or I can even work from a template right here, just like that. So I've got options. I can also add single shifts, multiple shifts, import from Excel, and even add unavailability if one of my employees is gone. We'll select chat right down there in the bottom middle. And from here, this is where I can keep track of my conversations, which could be direct messages with, say, for example, a colleague or my manager. They could also be news broadcast channels, like with this example from Connecteam directly. Tips on how to best use the platform, or a variety of other formats. For example, this might be a channel specifically for a client, one that I've just created. Now that same channel from the admin dashboard on desktop. Just know that Connecteam has exactly the same functionality as popular tools like Slack, offering direct messaging, group chats, even the ability to share files securely without needing a separate app for it. On this tab, admins can manage their team and channels right here. It's as easy as a click to manage a new team or a new channel, all from one place. I am a big fan of updates in Connecteam. We can, again, use a template or start from scratch. For this example, we use a template. Again, it's likely that you'll have a look here and probably want to customize these, but these certainly get you started with something right away. Updates can be more serious. They can also be more fun. I'm going to come back to this happy birthday announcement because this little animation is a whole lot of fun. So we'll select this template and then we'll begin customizing it. Check out these different backgrounds we can choose from, as well as all of the customization for media like images, video, GIFs, files, YouTube videos, and more. Possibilities are endless to customize this and make someone feel very special on their birthday. We'll choose the recipients, our final settings, and then we'll push that update to our team. Not only do I love the update, but I love that I have access to the analytics to see who has actually seen this, be it engagement, people that have reacted to it or commented, or even viewed it. I have access to all of those analytics here, which I can keep track of in a spreadsheet. at a glance. For service-based businesses, this means one system to handle everything. Customer bookings and employee management. Really, it's all about streamlining your entire business. So let's talk about how you can try this out. Best of all, Connecteam offers a free plan for teams of up to 10 employees, so you can test out the Wix Bookings integration at no cost. You'll also get a 14-day free trial for premium features, seamless onboarding and support to get started quickly, and affordable pricing that scales with your business. Whether you're a small team or growing company, Connecteam gives you everything you need to manage employees and bookings all in one place. So if you want to simplify scheduling, improve efficiency, and manage employees better, this integration really is a game changer. Try Wix Bookings plus Connecteam today using the link in the description, and drop any questions that you might have in the comments. I personally reply to all of them. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more business tools and strategies. Thank you to Connecteam for sponsoring this video, and I will see you in the next one.